Welcome back. I'm going to attempt change of front door, driver's door, door strap, because this one as you can see, the bottom part is broken. So to remove it you need size 5mm Allen key, and remove these two nuts with 10mm socket. First thing to do is you will need access from behind for the hinge strap. You can access it through speaker, unclip the plastic protective cover, 3 screws, Phillips number 2, just undo them to remove the speaker. You can get your hand in the other side. There you go. Once these two bolts are undone, get your hand into the door behind. It's a bit of fiddle. Remove this rubber. Because there is cabling. Right, got a bit of issue. Right, I'm going to put one of these bolts back on. The cable that leads to side mirror, it's actually got jammed into the hinge. So probably was doing that regular. Yeah, I got it undone now. I'll have to inspect that cable, because if it's been doing that for years, there might be some damage there. I mean, the mirror works fine. There you go. So that comes out. The cable was actually jammed here through this section when the hinge strap was, can't undo it, when it was fully, no, can't do it by hand, when it was fully structured. Now we get a new replacement one. So refitting procedure is opposite of removal. Easy. Now the Allen key, screw, they're quite long screws, it's not a bad thing. At least you got plenty of warning before they fall out, if they ever come loose. Tighten them up. The next thing is to refit the speaker. Just make sure that the cable mirror is running away from the door strap. Three screws back in. They're only screwing in through plastic, so don't over tighten them. Then we clip protective cover. Voila, job done. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos. They are uploaded weekly, if not daily. Many thanks, all the best.